your description.
Oh yeah.
Acha nuba, aisa na bongo ngana ngiyo.
Really.
Password mo kwangu to rabora mari chom.
Bongo. Bana macha ngat madik. Do you exposure mabede kuro meo ne wach tumno.
Thank you.
Kama meo kwa yote.
Bana jomunge nyatiti chiemo nyatiti.
Koro manera acha.
Jomunge nyatiti. Onge ke manyatiti konyo.
So that is the sad news. Life is just funny like that.
Last month, last year, do you remember park achiel? Nana India. Wanatoka fenyo ni kara jomunge thum. Gini ken ng'eyo gini en connection
ba. Ena connection gang busy koro ne damo. Loso pesa mlo waliki. To kama were. Eno yudo joma wer to ginane. Re no kaka bien wer maber.
Arun Kumar, how are you? I'm really happy to see you today, bro.
Comedian Jugush.
Yeah, Kumar, how is India? India is Wolulu. I thank you so much. Keep on watching. I really appreciate your time. Today I have new instrument. Hey, nyatiti ngene kada tuwe mapoda kia. Be gamna mara na bwana tuwe lungo na kaka tuwe. But you know me a hard time. Antonio, my guy, I'm really happy to see you. How are you? How is America? America. How is America? How is America? How is America? America is well. How are you, my guy? I see now. Thank you so much, Antonio. I don't know how to appreciate you, bro. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I tried to call you, but oh wow. Vishu. How are you? Please, Vishu, join the club. Can join that club on YouTube. Maka Club. Eh? What? I can't hear. Maybe the issue is on my. Huh? Awamesha. Yokinyu benyaga benja. Nabadnade kinyo binye. Utamu wanga chota diambo. Ayo. Yo binye benja. Mungeno benja majango. I see my eye, my guy Antonio. Abedunade kinyo binye. I got your Nadiani Kawa Sungu Mabuba Musungu Bumbaga Buga Toko Kogolo na Dola. I see my guy Ida Mama. Hi Ida. Mungindo Fenya Gumbulu. None of your words. There's a guy by the name None of Your Business. Yo pinyu penyaga pen. Oh we know. Antonio Baba. Ayo. I see Chris also in the vibe. Just keep on watching Maka Mugenda. no penya majango. Ayo, I change they accepted. Oyo na lomoro, tono madala moro. Ago choka buranduru, kajo manongo emabudo. It's a vibe, guys. Thank you so much. My name is Makam Gwenda Kalime. Hello, Antonio. Are you getting my voice now? Are you getting the sound? Guys, keep on watching. It's Makam Gwenda playing traditional instrument called Nyatiti. Nyatiti Luo. Mr. Farmer. Mr. Farmer on the fire, Cindy. Of when you're Lord. I do no condom. In the yogi. Odino no goyo. Ogwan neno goyo. Olo neno goyo. Aye, Johnny Fisher, Olore Magahi, Nalo Calodio Chengeluano, Bese Yomba, Abarego Amanya Catere Dalawa, Aromo, Ayo, Miss B also never just keep on watching. I mean, I'm ego, Uncle Miss Nelly. Have you seen Miss Elos on the mind? Oh, Miss V, Miss Mia, Ololonya ego, Digo lady, nothing got a pizza. Ayo. Jom kure gidani Namomi elevni na loku orango lukeni Orango kokeni Adiana tagadera Ayo Aurelia Ojuna dovo dala kaluna kau kienyeji Togi majonya kinyi ilu mapoko chanuka Ikawo kienyeji ya olo krejua yote magaye. Have you seen Sisindio? Oh, Antonio Bal, true friend Antonio, my guy. Sisindio Sifuna, I see the guy. Sisindio Sifuna, where was your Sifuna Babu? And I go, Baba Yawa. Aye, Shana Maria was on the one. I want to challenge it. Oh man, sisi ndio Sifuna. Ai, hey bwana. Bwana boy mwana kamunge nyinga lunga mnage nyinga madala. Oh, how are you? Sisi ndio Sifuna. Oh, ni nani bwana? Ni nani? Miss B, thank you so much. Miss B, thank you so much. I really appreciate your time. My name is Mwaka Mugenda, playing traditional Nyatiti. Bwana, don't call me with my name, M-Pesa name, please. If you are calling me with my M-Pesa name, please send something there. Thank you so much. Donate something, Bwana. How can you call me with my PayPal name? Antonio, there's a guy calling me with my PayPal name without my concept. That's are you kidding me? Keep on watching, my guys. I really appreciate your time. My Mwaka Mugenda. I see there's a guy by the name Sisi ndio Sifuna. Bwana ininga wa minge myenga malichi ni. They know. Ayo. Miss B, G7 feet. G7, hello G7, G7 on the hello G7, my God, I see Zola on the G7 feet. You are my king, my God. Have you seen Miss B? Have you seen Antonio? Hello, Abba. Antonio, if you wanna be fit, you have to check this guy. You can call G7 for fitness. I wanna build my muscle. I wanna build my muscle. Like G7. Karam genda gogatu. Karam genda gogatu. Hello. Yep. Can you dance now? Have you seen my guy G7? The man with the muscle. Man without a muscle is like a woman. G7. You have to be fit like G7, my God. Oh, mama, lo. Timothy, why are you Imole. Antonio dancing, Joel dancing, Yawa Jamboma, G7, G7 feet, I see my God, Pendagalo, Pendala. Thank you so much, Pendal God. Oh, Kingo to oh, Kingo to Yoshia. Kara Pendal. Galo, Jamodum, Galo Yimbuyawa, Galo Jamodum, Galo can you dance, Galo Yalieva, Johnson is the bar. Asking also the bar. Galo 1, Galo 2, Galo dance, Galo jump, Galo vibe. Have you seen G7 also the bar? Remember, today is another day. It's a Friday edition, my guy, with Nyatiti, your man, Soti King. Karajo Chindelua, oh, Semi Jogi Chanda, life boy. Galo 1, Galo 2, Galo Roger Sonova. Just keep on watching, guys. It's Maka Muganda. It's a very special evening with Maka. If you like the vibe, say hi. Say hi. Also, we have Nyatiti player here, guys. Buenas Mosekta jogging. Jogging gang.
Hi everyone.
Nyatiti man is there.
How is everyone doing? Today we are here to listen to music, enjoy the cool breeze, enjoy the beauty of nature. Anybody who wants to come, there's still time. You can fly and come and join us for a live music interview. Welcome everybody. Thank you.
Yeah, guys. Well, that's it. Also is a musician. He will give you one song before you leave. I'll in this sound on the mind. See you. Regina. Sometime Macao, sometime Macaye, Regina, sometime Macaru Jangona, I don't know what comes over me. Hey, I don't know what comes over me. Athletes of the vibe, ready. Caralo, Lubia, Caralo. Ha ha. I need a drum. I need a drum. Ha ha. If you see the beautiful lady, say bang bang. Can you also never just keep on watching mark? Regina dance. Regina Yunga. I don't come baby, come mama, come baby, come darling. I wanna take you a Lagos, yeah. Hey, hey. Have you seen the guy by the name Antonio, my guy? I see Vishu also the one. I Konate Baba. Have you seen Konate also the one? Just keep on watching. Konate Wamiano. Can you the room? Konate, my guy. Kanyo, Konate. We gonna die. We gonna Katika. Can check what mama gave you if you like the vibe. I see Konate. Antonio, my guy. Go down low. Yeah, ayo, go down low. Konate on the vibe. Godzilla. Oh, come down, my ancestor. There's a now I gotta call my ancestor now. MC Wanyande. Wanyande buzo makaele. Ayo, we gonna dance champum. Sometime makaye. We gonna call upon some ancestors now. It doesn't matter where you are watching from, my guy. Okula. Wanyande. Yunga. It's called Makamugenda. I see Kulo by Costaneva. Yeah, can manya Kanyo. If you like the vibe, just say oh. Thank you so much, Miss Maka. I really appreciate your time. This is Maka Mugenda playing traditional instrument, Nyatiti vibe. Also remember to subscribe on YouTube. Yeah, someone with a galaxy or lion. I'm now playing the lion. Let's continue the vibe. I'll watch you online 10 minutes. Thank you so much. It's Maka Mugenda. If you like the vibe, guys, just keep on watching. And also, if you're willing, you can kill me with something in my PayPal. If you're willing, you are allowed to do that. Jai Wanyande also the vibe. MC Wanyande is one of the great footballer. MCB, thanks so much. Yeah. Waiting for you to play Ghana. Setia Ayuba. I see Miss Bio Soleman. To go. go. I want you to go. Alangatia, MCB can it to go, Amma to go. Oh Makaye, I wanna to go here, just to go. Music bring happiness, Matthias on the wall. Music bring happiness, hey. And you can buy happiness. She also the wall. She wanna dance, she wanna vibe. Hello, she wanna go down, she wanna bang bang, she wanna sending, ha ha. Nyasero, to go, mama, to go. I see my guy Antonio Sondeva Jacobo. Ha ha. Ayele mama. Omera jogia nini kama kichamu coconut. Ha ha ha. Oh dear. Oh dear. Let's get them. Oh dear. Let's get them. Let's get let's get. Oh man, Yogi Koro, Yogi Koro, Aya, Chaman, Aya, Mokamuganda. Canyo. Ayo, Kasia, Kazi, Kazi Kumba, Kazi Kure, Kazi Kamba, Kazi Umre, Kazi Bamba, Dino Hore, Ya Dino Hore, what do mama, Ya Dino Hore, Ya Dino Hore, I not what I know, Harry my God, Tripodi on the bar. To go, mama, to go. I really appreciate your time, guys, for those who are watching. Mkoa gani bwana. Thank you so much. I really appreciate, guys. Just keep on Ronja, set nice level. Thanks so much. My name is Maka Mugenda, playing traditional instrument called Nyatiti. Nyatiti is a Luo. Omera, Nyatiti is a Luo instrument. Omera, I'm like a me. I feel the Pierre Beruga board. Yeah, we know na. Hey, we know na. We know na. Surprise me with the lion. Another song, please. Which place are you trying? This is a coastal area. Let's continue the vibe. I'm sorry, my dear. Ya cara donge piño dagi. Ya cara donge piño dagi. Rando. Ya cara donge piño dagi. The tree beyond you. Ya cara donge piño dagi. Seti. Piño dagi, ya donge piño dagi. Piño dagi, ya donge piño dagi. Ayo, Miss B. Ya pino donge caranyelo duma. Ha ha. How you girlfriend? Ya ver donge caramelo duma. Kasila. Oh, we know from Namibia, the thing from you. Oh, we know Baba. Oh, we know what you're going to want. Oh, we know Baba. Oh, we know Jamum. Oh, we know Dance. Oh, we know Jamum. Take go tenga ya. Oh, we know Kwaji. I say we know from Namibia. Yogi Benyo, we know ya. Odi. Avona Odi. I see Ken on the vibe. For now, Odi. I'm gonna share with you the link. Oti, thank you so much. Let me sing one song to Oti. Let's keen in. Guys, if you like the vibe, please just do this. If you like the vibe, do this. And also you can share the gift. And also if you're willing, you can support. You can donate through PayPal if you like the vibe. Yeah, for now. Oti on the vibe. Cheza kitu bana. Sasa scene. Leveling the vibe. Thanks so much, my guys. My name is Maka Mukenda. And also, yeah, mzungu chatu wato ya. I see my guy, Maya Shani. Thank you so much, Maya, for the rosa. Come baby, guy, you my cocorico. I see you. Come baby, girl, you my cocolico, Maya, ayo, oh, gala, Leo, come baby, gale, come baby, galo, oh, come baby, galo, I'm out, come baby, galo, what are you? Come baby, Dr. DP. The journals on the mind. Maya, oh Maya, Aya, Aji Dan. Maya, oh Maya, I count me, I'm singing for you, keep bro. Oh man, now what about my come baby galo, I see it all, come baby galo, Bilamo so the boy, come baby gale, the dance can go, yawa can go, the yango can go, yawa can go, ni yango can go, yawa can go, ni go hotenga, ya hotenga, hello, have you seen me speak? Can you dalo? Can you dalo? Can you dalo? Can you dalo? Ayo, Marianne. Oh my God, thank you so much. We love you. I'll sing a gal. Ayo. I come up with music compression. Nyatiti korujame. Iza nyatiti ja. Niyengo kanungo. Kanungo yawa kanungo. Can you shake nungo? Nungo. Okay, no kanungo. Miss Golda. How are you? Thank you so much, my guys. It's Maka Mugenda. No time. If you like the vibe, yeah, show your love, show your love, show your love, show your love. Coco with nice call, man, and Zeta also on the vibe. Just keep on watching, man. I want to give you one song, say people will appreciate your good deeds when you die. When you're alive, nobody will talk about you. When you're alive, nobody will talk about you, my guy, nobody. Let's continue. Maya, have you seen beautiful lady by the name Maya Shani? Maya, Maya. Have you seen Marianne Zeta? The instrument is called Nyatiti. Forget about Matiti. Maya, Zero. Shani Maya Lumani. Asama. Maya. Yatumolongo Mayani. Babaye. Madbado. Ololo Magai. Galongo ngato kwero magaye, galongo ngato kwero. Galongo ngato kwero magaye, galongo ngato kwero. Ayo, Maya Shani kani ulali, aya dhumulwangi kanundo. Hakuna mata. Ayo, you are destroying our tea. Let's get it. Why are you saying hakuna matiti? You know the meaning of that. Thank you so much. Keep on watching. Much love is Maka Mugenda. I see on YouTube we have 47 people, and on TikTok we have some 60 people. Thank you so much. Keep on watching, and if you like the vibe, let's continue the vibe. Is Maka Mugenda. Maka is just about music. Ayeba. Guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate your time, guys. Just wonderful town. Tony also in the vibe. Nyapini. Bunny Ronnie. Have you seen Bunny also in the vibe? The instrument, I'm the one selling the instrument. You can I sell, and also there's a seller of instrument. Can you talk to this guy? Talk to that guy.
Hello everyone. Who wants to buy a Nyatiti?
There's a guy here.
What's his name?
Please, where can I get the instrument? Oiza.
Okay. All right, Oliza, you can just contact me. You can find me on Instagram as Edubla, Edubla, TikTok Edubla, Edubla, and YouTube as Edubla. I'm writing it in the comments right now, so you can have a look at it. So it's Edubla, Edubla.
Thank you so much. He's also in Nyatiti player. Nango I happy you ayo nango I happy you. Otamo wanga chota diambo. Hello. Thank you so much, Miss B. My I know I have been you. Yo pinyo penya mamay Gariyo Ululu marisonera Ayo Nango wanyabi Made osa Ayo Have you seen Maya? Vocals on the line, trapping on the bar. Madame, it's on chat on the bar. Madame Jungle, Madame Dance. Apollo, Dalo, Martino, never to go, Ringo, Ringo, Bayaya. Ayo, Umamete Makai. Allo, Okulu, Bike, Okulu, Okule, Bikes, Okulu, Yebal. Lude electrico, Madame Dange, Yawadange, Yawedange. Oh yeah, oh you can also you can share with me, you are lion. If you can share with me, lion, oh Cody. Even if you have something like a galaxy, I will just appreciate. Oh yeah! Oti, can I share my PayPal? Jambo jam. Wazungu benyanga. Yeah. Can you say, just come and say hi to my people, please? Please come.
1 minute, just come, 1 minute.
They don't want. Ayo! Oh dear. Have you seen Oti Leskinani? Oti on the vibe. Oti, banane. Dekna nyenge maru Oti ni. Oti. Nyenge ni. Do it. Oti. I wanna share that. Why can I?
Let's write it somewhere on.
Dekna go.
Oti Leskinen.
I'll follow it.
Oti Leskinen.
I'll give you that name. I'll share with you, Oti. Hello. You are beautiful. Are you single? I'm streaming right now.
Yes.
Hey, I was singing, yeah, Jabe.
Come down. Yeah, come.
Oh, yeah. Hey, ya wajabera ngomok timi. Hey. Ya nyako no belonge marajar. Omen. Ya. Oti I will share. Omera, iwacho ni tamri kita biro moso joga gya. Ya wanyako no gulunge malaje. Maya, I can laugh from this man ba. Maya, Munia, Maya Shani. Oh, the yellow, oh, the away, oh. Let's continue the vibe. There's a guy say, trust nobody. Amaria, Madame, I don't like nobody. Helena Okoro, say Lamo, Yabe. Trust nobody. I'm gonna check the amount. Trust nobody, Baba. Ololo Makai. Avicino, that's no money. Maya, have you seen guy? Have you seen Baba Baba? Baba Baba, ha ha. Hello, Baba Baba, ayo. Maya Bendo Buddha, Antonio, Pololo, Chamoma, Arigo, Engineer Bende Buddha, Yahweh, ha ha. Money, 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 money. Money, money, I don't know what to shake your body, shake your body, hello, shake your body, Miami Lodico, shake your body now, shake your body now. That lady with the iPhone, yeah. Adoti, Daniela karaoke. Oh, Eli, Elo Monea, Budomaka, Madame, I know Jumbe. Have you seen her? Daniela Bindi Paroyin. Can you Daniela karaoke? Just come. Daniela, how are you, my brother? I'm really happy to see you, Maya Shani. Just come, no worry. What's your name, baby girl? Machalimo. Daniela. Oh, Madalimo. Yeah. Oh, Madalimo. Johnny. People from Canada, have you seen Manalimo? She's on Canada. Sura amepewa. Atoti mo beauty. Ayo, ololo mama. Thank you so much, Matalimo. I see a lot of comments, Omera. They say, wow, she's more beautiful. Omera. Hey, Omera. Tuniachata hiyo soda ya kutizedi hawa. Nio. Chalorete. Alzo. Maya nene bunda jango. Yawa chingna we yawa. Tajundu mama. Hey. As a very special more Christina also in the vibe. Teresa, how are you? Teresa, how are you? Salome, thank you so much. Thank you so much. If you like the vibe, just share the gift if you have. Daniela, my guy, let me play one song to Daniela. Daniela, Kanye, Bobia, Mama Brian, Ibot Makale, our Tileskinen. Yo, Daniela Baba, ayo, Daniela Chamboma, Bella, Johnny Babi, Johnny Baba Tumung, Ebia, Kanyo Sondeva, Kanye, Nijoni Baba, aye, Daniela Gonitum. Some days back I was performing Kanyabuli. Christine, Fatuma, thank you so much, Fatuma. Some days back I was performing Kanyabuli. Aye, that's the point we made with Daniela Baba. Yawangege tulikul, aye, tilapia tulikul, auti, yawakongo tulikunyu, avinina, Daniela Baba, Anor, Daniela Roll, aye, Daniela Guayo, Daniela Guayo. May God bless Daniela Baba in Dubai. Can you my God? Ayo, Bilamino, Mariane Dalo, Mariane Yawa. Come on with you, Jenny, Bobby, Jenny, Mariane Chamo, Anya Pini Chamoga, Daniela Lungo, hey, come along, come along, come along, come along. I wanna see you bang 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 to the hill bang aye oh gee ha ha tum yeah tum. May God bless Daniela in Dubai, UK. May God bless Daniela in UK, my brother. Omera, thank you so much, my guy. Much love. Name is Maka Muganda. Maka never joke. Aye, Omi, I'm sending my PayPal. Omi, I'm sending my PayPal. I'm bringing Madame Yosendeva. How old is that tree? There's a guy who do her research. He told me that the tree is around 4 million years. Lepeza, Johnny, the best gonna. Johnny, Lepeza. Johnny, I have a PayPal, not Lepeza. PayPal, Johnny, if you wanna tip me, I have a PayPal. Christina. Someone with the money gun. Mutual Bella. This beautiful lady is someone with the money gun. Nameless. Or Galaxy. Or Lion. Christina. Kathleen. Soldat. Don't volume up in. Kathleen. Caño. Ale, Jonah. Caño. Ay, Johnny, Marie, Jonah. Hey, c'est Christina on the Macadum and Aye,
Maya dance, Maya Maya Wamimi, Maya Maya Kathleen on the bar. Kore, ha ha. Aye, gore. 1 to the right, 2 to the front, 1 to the back, 2 to the back. Aye, she wanna bala. Ha ha. Madame, also let me give you the last song now, and we call it a day. I miss you, Kathleen. I'm good. Marianne, I'm good. Last, thank you so much, my brother. Last, thank you so much. Last. Last year. Thank you so much, my brother. May Yahweh bless you. Habari gani bwana? Niko na YouTube channel bwana, subscribe yawa. Na unambona unaringa? Iringo nadi yawa, iya wango. Mama ye. Aye baba ye. Last year. Ya bongo with nine yawa baba ye. Bongo bezulazi. Bongo bezulazi. Ayo. Someone said there's a researcher who did that. He said the trees around 40, my guy, 40. 4 million. Yes. I'm living a yogi cause I chumala chambo. Loma. No bongo baba. No bongo blessed. Omo Christina. No beautiful Christina. Beautiful Christina. Nothing no book no maya. Aye, babale. Amina, thank you so much, my God. No, the for next year. The funny bang. Aye, the funny bang, the funny jang, the funny shake, the funny jump, the funny gal. Aye, the funny Maya Johnny, Maya Bam, Maya Gun, Maya. Je m'appelle Maka. Soldat, je chante de la musique, j'appelle Nyatiti. Aïe. Je viens de Kenya. Aïe. No bongo baba yaye. No bongo baba yaye. No Maya Mama. Maya Jammo Dum Maya Antonio Manga Solo Oriti Maya No Maya Kiri Maya Nidaga Dong Dangalale Ya Widwa Mia Dong Dangalale Yawa Dangalale Mam. Thank you so much guys for clapping. As I say, my name is Maka Mugenda. Thank you so much. Playing traditional instrument called Nyatiti. Yeah, I really love you guys. Thank you so much for your love. You have been showing me love. I really appreciate you guys. You know that. Antonio, my guy, I really. You are from Singola. Single. No, are you? Am I single? What, Maya? What was? Rewind your question. Are you from Senegal or single? I don't know. I'm from Canada. Solux. I'm from Kenya. I really appreciate you guys. Also remember to subscribe on my YouTube channel. It's Maka Mugenda. Maka is MAKA space Mugenda. Much love. That's the end of my streaming today, guys. If you have more, you can inbox me, DM me if you want me. If you want Maka to talk with you, just DM me. Have a nice time. That's the end of my streaming. Thank you so much. Bye. Ricky. Hi, Larry. How is Nairobi? Robari. Thank you so much. Uritiuru. Hello, everybody. This is a taste of what? This is just a short taste of what you'll get next time. We shall plan for you for a live session, for my live session. Meanwhile, you can have a look at my Instagram at edubla58 and TikTok at edubla58 at edubla, YouTube at edubla. Keluru do kedala So that's just a taste of what you will be getting. That is a song by the great Ayub Ogada, the great and the late Nyatiti Maestro Ayub Ogada, who passed on a few years back. Yeah, so that and a lot of my compositions also, you'll be able to hear them. You can have a look at, I play guitar and the saxophone and Nyatiti and Orutu and other instruments. You can have a look at my Instagram page at edubla58, YouTube edubla, TikTok at edubla58, Facebook edubla, Google edubla. Okay, thank you very much. I'm also at edubla on Instagram as well. Edubla on Reverb Nation. I also have some music there. So I write music for a living. I also teach people how to play Western instruments, guitar, piano, and everything else. So just have a look at edubla, EDUBLA on the social media. And remember to subscribe to Maka Mugenda YouTube channel, TikTok pia, TikTok bende nyakauluwe TikTok. That is the message. He said you have to follow him. Either you follow him or you follow him. All right. And then always share the live, and we appreciate the love. It's been over an hour, and we appreciate the love for those who have been able to hold the live for a while. Okay. So Maka Mugenda is gonna come back in a minute or two, and yeah. Okay. Who wants to be invited? Co-host now. Okay. All right then. Cool. So yeah. So those questions, you can have a look at edubla58 on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and all social media. It's EDUBLA. Yes, EDUBLA. Yeah. Any questions? Now you can type. Maka Mugenda is coming. He's just. Huh? Asegoy Martin. Oh, macha. Ting. Macha pod yobo pango deki. Today it was very sharp. Yeah.
I'll give you that name. I'll share with you. Hello. Hey. Hello, guys. How are you now? How are you now? Are you cool there? How are you doing now? No.
Live.
Okay, gini ni kanyo bwana. Mama Limpopo. How are you? Guys, right now I have to leave. Much love, guys. Until tomorrow, we will have another session. I myself, I gonna give you something special tomorrow morning vibe with Maka Mugenda. So for now, guys, it's now late this side. I have to leave. Thank you so much. May God bless you. My name is Maka Mugenda. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Cheers. Goodbye. Love you.